Alright, good morning boys and girls. Welcome to my channel. We are at the Aquatic Center in the Palm Desert Civic Center Park. This is a video by itself just for the Aquatic Center. And we can't get into the center, but I'll show you the parking lot with all these palm trees. I don't know if they lost a bet and had to put all these things in or what the deal is, but there's quite a few of them. So we'll walk around and walk up to the front and I'll show you what's going on. Road back over here with the cars. So hope you enjoy. You can see right from the beginning all these palm trees. Guess we can go this way. And here's the parking lot. This is what I meant about all the palm trees. I think they have more palm trees than they have spaces for cars to park. So basically, this is a date grove. Now the sign is pretty washed out, but you might be able to see it. It says, enter date grove at your own risk. So what that probably means is, when it's time for these dates to be harvested, they might just fall from the ground, or fall onto the ground. It looks like a bunch of them up there. There's some boxes over here. I don't know if there's anything in them, but oh, somebody left out fruit. Okay. Don't quite know what that's all about. Another view of the parking. We'll walk down that trail there. So there's some of them with the orange dates, I guess. I don't know what color they are when they're ripe. Oh, we'll walk over here. Remember once when I was in Dubai, I took a tour, went to Abu Dhabi, and we stopped at a date place, date farm concession where people can buy dates and famous dates and stuff. We were heading to Abu Dhabi.
Not this one. This one will go right up there.
Uh-oh, here comes somebody. There we go, on the powered vehicles. Yep. Morning.
Morning.
Hey. So I'm not too observant because I didn't even hear him coming up until the lady started talking. That high-pitched voice of hers. Not very many cars, but still kind of early, I guess. Let's see, it just goes for a long ways, and that's all parking. Oh, we'll follow this. Here comes some more people on bikes. Here's the rest of the baseball field.
Hello.
Hey. Morning. So that's where we were on the earlier video. Another direction, another view of the baseball field. Well, let's walk up here. So this is the Aquatic Park here. I guess there's different entrances. And we can go down the bottom and see, I guess. Colorful mural. And then it goes down this way. I think that's the main entrance is down there. So for people that are planning to come here, that's all the parking area. So as you can see, there's a lot of spaces to park. I don't think this place is ever 100% full. So if you want to park here, I don't think that'd be a problem for parking. Let's go down here. And see what this is. Oh, yeah, see, there's the pool. It's pretty big. Maybe we'll go in between the bars here. Yeah. And it looks like way over there they have a water slide. I don't know who all goes on the water slide. They look like just adults are over there. And looks like they have a concession stand. Boston Found over there. Huh. Oh, the lady said that's not nice, so we must be going. So we must be going. That's a public pool, so. It's a public pool, so I can't say anything. And here's the sprinklers. Yep. And here's some more of the pool. Here's more of the pool area. There's more of the water thing. Water slides. Well, it's pretty big, huh? I don't think those water slides are in use much. Here's the volleyball. We didn't do that before. So this is the outer boundaries here. That's where we were. That's where that ram or lamb and ram and all that stuff is. And here's another eating area. So well, we're kind of getting off beat here from where we were. So well, I think we'll go ahead and stop it here. I just wanted to show the aquatic center, and the lady said that wasn't nice, but I thought she was nice anyway. So that's it for today. So I'm out until the next one. Subscribe and like if you want to, share if you want to, and everybody be safe out there. So I'm out right now.